Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's topic is length, weight, capacity and temperature. So let's solve the question. So question is a water tank contain 225 liters of water. If 95 liters of water is used, how much water is left in the tank? So we have given a water tank which contains the 225 liters of water. So if the 95 liters of water is used from these 225 liters, then we have to find out how much water is left in the tank. So we have to do 225 minus 95. So let's do the subtraction. 5 minus 5 is 0. 12. So here 2 is less than 9. So we have to borrow 1 from these 2. So here is 12. So 12 minus 9 is 3. And 1 minus 0 is 1. That is 130 liters water is left in the tank. So option A is the correct for this question. Next question. Anju bought 8 tea packets. If the weight of each tea packet is 2 kg, what is the total weight of all the tea packets? So Anju bought 8 tea packets and the weight of each tea packet is 2 kg. So for one packet the weight is 2 kg, for second packet is 2 kg. So in this way we have to take the 8 tea packets. That means we have to add these 2 8 times. That is 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 and plus 2. Now do the addition. So this is 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 4 8, 8 plus 4 12 and 12 plus 4 is 16. So there are total weight of all the tea packets are 16 kg. That is option D is the correct answer. Next question. 5 street lights were placed at equal distance apart along one side of a straight road. The distance between the first street light and the third street light is 8 meter. So what is the distance between the second street light and fifth street light? So 5 street lights were placed at the equal distance. So that is if you consider 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And we have given what? Their distance is the same distance. So the distance between the first street light and the third street light is 8 meter. So distance between the first street light and the third street light is 8 meter distance. So this distance is 8 meter. But we know that the distance between the light are in the equal distance, right? So if we have this distance, this is same as here, here and here. Means what? We can distribute this 8 meter as equally part as 4 plus 4. So distance between first and second light is 4 meter distance. Now we can find out the distance between the second street light and the fifth street light. Means what? We have to find out this distance 2 to fifth. So we can write or we can write here this is 4 meter, then 4 meter and 4 meter. Means what? This is 4 plus 4 plus 4. So 4 plus 4 8 and 8 plus 4 is 12. So the answer is 12 meter. That is option C is the correct. So distance between the second street light and fifth street light is 12 meter. Next question. A grocer has 72 kg of sugar. If 47 kg of sugar is sold, then how much sugar is left with the grocer? So grocer has 72 kg sugar, and if 47 kg of sugar is sold from this 72 kg, so we have to do the subtraction, that is 72 minus 47, so that we can find out the sugar, how the sugar is left with the grocer. So for that here 2 is less than 7. So we have to borrow 1 from this 7. So it becomes 6 and here is 12. Now 12 minus 7 is 5 and 6 minus 4 is 2. Means what? There is a 25 kg of sugar is left with the grocer. Therefore option A is the correct answer. Next question. A shopkeeper sold 8 cans of the oil. Each contains 20 liters of oil. Then what is the total quantity of the oil is sold by the shopkeeper? So shopkeeper sold 8 cans of oil. Now in each cans contains 20 liters of oil. That means 20 liters for first can. So 20 liter for second can, third can, fourth can, fifth can, sixth can, seventh can and eighth can. So in this way shopkeeper sold these 8 cans of oil. So each contains 20 liters of oil. So we have to find out total quantity of oil is sold by the shopkeeper. So we have to add all these 28 times. So this is 20 plus 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 140, 160. That is 160. So answer is option B, that is 160 liters. This problem can be solved. We have the 8 cans and in each can there is 20 liters of oil. So we can do the multiplication 8 into 20. So 8 into 0 is 0 and 8 to the 16, that is 160 liters. So we can also find out answer like this. Next question. Next question is from the achiever section. Achiever section, that means one question is for 2 marks question. So these are the interesting questions. So let's see. The temperature of two cities, Delhi, Patiala, on a particular day is shown below. So first is the temperature of the city Delhi is, and the second one is temperature of the city Patiala is. So we have the temperature of Delhi we have given, and second one is what? The Patiala. So we can find out the temperature of Delhi. If we see, this is start from 0, then 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. So this is what? A 36 degree Celsius. Therefore temperature of Delhi is 36 degree Celsius. Now let's see the temperature of Patiala. So if you see here, this is 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, then 25, then 30, then 31, 32. So 32 degrees Celsius is the temperature of Patiala. So this is 32 degrees Celsius. Now we can choose the correct option. So in option A not correct, B not correct, C not correct. Option D is 36 degrees Celsius and 32 degrees Celsius. So this is the correct answer. Next question. A bottle contains 2 liters of mustard oil. A can contains 8 liter more oil than a bottle. So is Rihan bought the given bottles and cans of mustard oil. How much oil did he buy altogether? So we have given that the bottle contains 2 liters of mustard oil. So there are 2 bottles. So we can add 2 plus 2 is 4. Then a can contain the 8 liters more oil than a bottle. But we know that what a bottle contains 2 liters and we have to add 8 more. That means the 10 liter oil contains in a can. So there are 4 cans. So we can add 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 4 times. So how much oil did he buy altogether? So Rihan want to bought the bottle also. So we have to add, this is 2 plus 2. Now take the addition so that we can find out the total amount of oil. So this is 10, 20, 30, 40, 42, 44 liter. Means what? The 44 liter oils Rihan will buy all together. So option C is the correct answer. Next question. It takes 9 glasses of water to fill up the bucket. It takes 3 glasses of water to fill up the jug. How many jugs of the water are needed to fill up the bucket? So if we see here, here is the bucket and it takes 9 glass of water. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And to fill this jug, we need 1, 2 and 3 glasses of the water. Now we have to find out how many jugs so of the water are needed to fill up the bucket. So to fill this bucket, we have to pour what? 3 glasses at a time. That means what? This is the size of mug. Means what? We can make a group of 3 glass so that we can find out the quantity of one jug. So this is quantity of one jug, that is 3 glass, another 3 and then another 3. Means what? We need 3 jug of water needed to fill the bucket. Therefore, this is one jug, another one jug, and this is another one jug. That means there are 3 jugs of water are needed to fill up the bucket. Option C is the correct answer. Next question. What is the weight of the pumpkin? So we have to find out the weight of the pumpkin. So here what we have? Two pumpkins plus 2 brinjals and plus 2 capsicum, whose weight is how much? Yes, 6. Then here is 7, 8. Therefore, this is 9 kg. Now, similarly here, one pumpkin. So, one pumpkin plus 2 brinjals and plus 2 capsicum, whose weight is, yes, how much was? There is a 8 kg. So, we have given these two machines. Now, we have their weight 9 kg and 8 kg. Now, we have to find out the weight of one pumpkin. So here is we can write what? Two pumpkin can be write as one pumpkin plus one pumpkin plus two brinjals and plus two capsicum is what? 9 kg. Isn't it? Yes. So we can add like this. But this value is nothing but 8 kg. Therefore, by using this we can write one pumpkin plus 8 kg is equal to 9 kg. Therefore, one pumpkin is 8 minus 9, that is 1 kg. So by using this we can find out the weight of pumpkin, that is 1 kg. So option A is the correct answer for given question. Next question. Karan travelled from bank to a post office. He took following two routes. First route he chosen bank, hospital, post office. Second route bank, mall and post office. So which route was the shorter and by how much distance? So Karan want to travel from bank to post office via first route is the hospital. Yes. So here for hospital he has to travel 416 meter, right? And from hospital to post office there is 360 meter. So if we add here, so this is 6 plus 0, 6, 6 plus 1, 7 and 4 plus 3, 7. So 776 meter Karan wants to travel from bank to post office via hospital, that is first route. Similarly for the second route, if Karan travel from a second route, that is bank to mall, so distance is 320 meter and mall to post office 346 meters. So if we add, this is 6, 6 and 6. 666 meter Karan wants to travel from bank to post office via this mall. That means from second route. So if we observe here, 666 is the less than 776 meter. Means what? The second route is shorter as compared to the first route. Therefore, option A or either C is the correct. B and D is not correct. Now let's see how much distance is shorter. So if we take what, 776 minus 666. So do the subtraction. This is 6 minus 6 is 0, 7 minus 6 is 1 and 7 minus 6 is 1. So the second route is shorter by how much distance? That is 110 meter distance. So which is given in the option A. Therefore option A is the correct answer. Therefore Karan will travel from bank to the post office via second route. Okay, let's stop here. Thank you.